You check your bank account. The number is low, lower than it should be. And before you can even process what that means, something shifts inside your skull. It is not just stress. It is not just worry. What happens to your brain when you have no money is something far stranger and far more dangerous than anyone told you. In 2013, researchers Sendil Mullainathan and Eldar Shafir published a landmark study on scarcity. They gave people cognitive tests, simple puzzles, pattern recognition, math. Then they asked half the group to think about a financial problem first. A big one. A car repair they could not afford. A bill they could not pay. The people who thought about the money problem first scored significantly lower. Not because they were less intelligent, but because their brains were already full. Mullainathan and Shafir called it the bandwidth tax. When your mind is consumed by scarcity, it steals mental bandwidth from everything else. Your working memory shrinks. Your impulse control weakens. Your ability to plan ahead collapses. You are not bad with money because you are irresponsible. Your brain is running out of RAM. Here is what makes it stranger. The effect is physical. Neuroscientist Elizabeth Phelps found that financial stress activates the amygdala, the same region that fires when you are being chased.
Tell the difference.
Your brain cannot tell the difference between a predator and a past due notice. Both feel like death. So your body floods with cortisol. Your vision narrows. Short-term thinking takes over. You stop planning for next year. You stop planning for next
not
week.
Next month.
You focus only on right now, because right now feels like survival. Ancient humans did the same thing. When food was scarce, the brain locked onto that single threat. Everything else fell away. It was not a flaw. It was the system working perfectly, for a world where the threat would pass in days. But your threat does not pass in days. It compounds. It follows you into the shower, onto the bus, into meetings. It never leaves. And your brain stays in crisis mode indefinitely, burning fuel it does not have, making the very decisions that make everything worse. A 2019 study by Bastian Blankenship at Princeton confirmed this loop. Scarcity creates poor decisions. Poor decisions create more scarcity. The brain designed to save you is the one trapping you. This is not a moral failure.
It is not a moral failure.
It is biology working against a problem it was never built to solve.
It is simply biology.
The next time you check your account and feel that shift, that tightening behind your eyes, know this. Your ancient brain just declared an emergency. It is doing exactly what it was designed to do. The question is whether you can give it enough space, enough calm, enough breathing room to think its way out. The number in your account is low, but the system that reads it, that was built to survive, and it still can.